Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can view your TikTok watch history in a very efficient and easy way. Previously you had to download a file that will give you all the videos you watched and you could sort through it that way, but now it's very simple with a new update. So all you need to do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Then you want to tap on these three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. Then tap on settings and privacy. On the settings and privacy page, just scroll down and you should see an option here that says watch history. Now, if you're not seeing that option on your TikTok account, just update your TikTok to the latest version on either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and then it should appear if it's available in your account and in your country. So let me just tap on watch history, and what this is going to do is going to show you all the videos that you watched in the last 7 days. So you can't get more than 7 days worth of data in this list right here. So all you need to do is go through this list, and this is your exact watch history on TikTok from the last 7 days. You also have some settings here. You can turn this off if you want, so you can view up to 7 days of watch history on this device. You can also clear the history if you would like. And those are the two settings that you get. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.